Bullish stepn. GMT cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.88 and $3.55 by 2030. Market investigators accept GMT could reach $1.46 by 2025. Bearish stepn market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.333673. stepn. GMT presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about stepn cost forecast. On the whole, we should view the fundamental presentation of this money on the off chance that you need a decent profit from your beneficial venture from it. stepn. The main NFT drive in light of the transition to procure idea is a sound way of life application with social money, social and play to procure. Games perspectives. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming designers, helped to establish stepn in August 2021. stepn won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking Rivalry prior to getting a $5 million financing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The Green Metaverse Token, GMT, the stepn's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAP 2022. Holders of GMT can recommend and settle on project progressions and depository conveyance. Prior to making a stepn cost, we look at what is GMT, stepn, what's more, GMT, stepn specialized and basic investigation. We should check it out. What is stepn, GMT? stepn is a Web3 move to procure portable application with parts for social and gaming finance. GMT and Socialfy. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind stepn. The task chips away at the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is a great many people's ordinary action. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, stepn wrapped the second place and was the principal venture to incorporate the move to acquire idea practically. The objective of the game part of stepn is to urge a large number of clients to take on a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high outflow vehicles. Then again, the social money part of stepn plans to foster a stage that advances client-created Web3 content. stepn utilizes a two-layered symbolic framework. GMT and GST are the two kinds of tokens accessible in the environment, and each can be obtained in an unexpected way. stepn's application incorporates the accompanying GMT highlights. Game mode. Since stepn GMT token is still in beta, the main technique accessible to clients is singular, foundation and long-distance race modes. The other two game modes are right now creating and will be accessible soon. Sneakers. These non-fungible tokens have various characteristics, including comfort, durability, adequacy, and favorable luck. Clients can procure in-game tokens by wearing shoes, which can be improved and modified by consuming green Satoshi tokens. Gems attachments. stepn clients can get to certain jewels to improve the qualities of their shoes subsequent to arriving at a specific degree of tennis shoes. Shoe printing. Clients can begin stamping shoe boxes whenever they have acquired 2 NFT shoes. The cost of printing will differ contingent upon the kind of shoes you obtained at first and those you get subsequently. Badge. By finishing explicit in-game undertakings, players can secure various identifications. The benefits these identifications can offer can be taken advantage of to change how the game is played. Clients who have identifications, for example, may profit from lower stamping costs, extra focuses, administration advantages, or additional energy. The making of this element is as of now progressing. stepn GMT key examination. Dealers utilize specialized examination to zero in on a resources exhibition, regularly down to the moment on exchanging outlines, while crucial exploration does the specific opposite. Exchanges are zoomed out. This gives them an exhaustive information and comprehension of the resource and the association that upholds it. The real worth of a resource is what principal examination plans to distinguish. For instance, by considering various interior and outside standards, you might decide if a digital money is overrated. You have without a doubt heard the maxim, put resources into individuals, not items. This citation basically catches the primary thought of the key investigation. Financial backers that stick to principal examination contend that the primary indicator of a resource's future exhibition is the organization's solidarity. For financial backers trying to buy modest resources, this is an incredible strategy. There are many incentives for GMT according to verifiable information. The incentive is improved in light of the fact that it isn't covered. The whole mining environment knows about the advantages of keeping up with the organization. There is no hurry to get to an affirmed hard cap at the present time. Possibilities for the web are settled thus. Along these lines, the worth of STEPN can increment, further guaranteeing biological system development. More STEPN can be acquired to keep the environment working accurately. STEPN utilization is supposed to develop yearly, raising the cash's worth. STEPN is at present worth $0.417091 United States dollars. GMT has moved 7.21% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $184,010,190. STEPN is at present position 143 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $250,254,465 United States dollars. Using the general strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for STEPN, GMT. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant STEPN, GMT, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2023 STEPN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. GMT. The GMT cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.625636. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.583927 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of $0.500509. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2024 out of 2024. STEPN GMT cost forecast has a lot of space for extension because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives. We guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform $1.04. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the GMT's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.834182 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.9176. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.46, and GMT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.33 and a low of $1.25 in